Brad Williams, XL Prime. How to find dependents. We talked about this previously. The best way to do this is you want to be in a cell. You need to highlight a cell. The quickest way to do this is to go up in the ribbon, go to Formulas, Trace Dependents. What this is saying is, in order for A to compute its number, it is dependent on H. Whatever's in H, I is dependent on whatever is in 4 in the previous cell. A is dependent on B, or in this case, I5 is dependent on whatever's in H4. The formula is just simply this up here, and then I just threw the category in. If H5 is greater than 3, put it as A, otherwise B. This formula won't work unless it's tied to this. There's that dependency precedence deal, remove arrows. You want to trace the precedence, there you go. Clear, hit trace precedence. You can see there's a precedence and a dependence. You can also hit Control bracket. It does the exact same thing. You can hit Control Shift. You can always go to the ribbon, find and select, go to special, hit dependence. You have to identify a cell to determine if there's a dependence there. If you're not in the cell, you'll get the nasty, this is an error message, and a nasty, annoying beep from your speakers. Hit OK. And here, it just shows you the dependence. Notice that difference, there's not an arrow. So that's the difference between the go to special and the precedence, formulas, trace dependence. This is the dependence, but the way Excel wants to read it is it needs the source of the dependence. So now you have to go to formulas, trace dependence, and it works there. A little backwards, you have the various options to find dependence. Hit the remove arrows. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.